Hello viewer, I have that circular design. So let's make the changes. Also use the paint bucket tool to fill up within it. So we will use the razor tool on that shape. So let's have an shape over it. We can convert it into the 3D. Make a cube wrap in 3D shape. It may take few seconds. So there is a cube wrap we have generated from that shape. So we will change its pattern in this way, change the color as well. There is the different colors we have picked it up.